Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Swiggy Instamart is giving free cash plus free gift. As you see here, you can add yourself to the count to win a free gift for your mother on the occasion of Mother's Day. Interested? Let's go check it out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? As you see here, you can have ice creams at 50% off, especially if you want zero sugar ice creams. You can go check out the Shark Tank products. I'll provide that link in the description box. This brand Go Zero is without added sugar, and let me tell you again, it is without added sugar. The natural sugar is 2 to 3%. If you're calorie conscious, or if you want to avoid spikes in blood sugar, you can go for this. As you see here, you can go to Instamart and give in the search bar as Shark Tank India and check out the products starting from 23 rupees. As you see here, this is Belgium zero sugar chocolate ice cream. You all know sugar is in everything, even in chilies also you find sugar, but then it's a substitute. Stevia is added in this ice cream as a sweetener. If you're calorie and health cautious and avoid spikes in the blood sugar, you can go for Go Zero ice creams, right? As you see here, this is Creamwell cotton candy ice creams. It tastes super good. It's a cone ice cream. As you see here, it melts in your mouth. You can enjoy ice creams in summer at 50% off. It's a boon for all of us. As you see here, you have this have more ice cream. This is chocolate cone ice cream. It's a dark chocolate. As you see here, you can enjoy every lick because it tastes super good. The next you have this, this is ice bar. It's super sugary and you have different flavors added into this. I don't prefer this because there's lots of sugar added in this. It gives strawberry and mango flavor. You can have it once. As you see here, you have this Big's sandwich ice cream. It tastes good. Chocolate chips are between the cake. As you see here, it tastes good. You can enjoy. If you're enjoying 2 or 3 ice creams at once, make sure that you have this black cumin or bitter black cumin seeds to avoid spike and the blood sugar. As you see here, this is mango ice cream from Cream Pot. You can enjoy at 50% off. Okay, now let's get going to see how to get free gift from Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy app, click on Instamart. This kind of banner appears before you. Was 125 free cash. You can claim it before the time limit. As you see here, you have Insta Wow deals, ice creams at 50% off. You can have them, or otherwise you can search for ice creams. Here I have searched for have more ice cream to see whether free gift is available or not. Free magnet is available along with this have more ice cream. You can check out this deal on Swiggy Instamart to have free gift. Now you can come down and check out the flash deals coming up every 2 hours. You can see here. Okay, most importantly, you can come down and click on this banner as add yourself to the cart. Once you click, you can click enter contest. Once you does that, you have to enter the pin codes as shown in the picture and write a few words about your mother as asked in the question, as what is your favorite thing about your mother. Once you're done, you can click on add me to cart. Then you'll be automatically added to the cart in the next order, and you will have a chance to win a free trip for your mother. You can order few gifts for your mother as shown in the picture. You can add to the cart. Okay, now go to cart. Free cash is auto applied. You can apply coupon as well as extra 10 to have free ice cream. That's it, done. You can enjoy free ice creams plus free gifts on Swiggy Instamart.